How to fix no result found on Messenger. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you the process of how to fix result not found on Messenger. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for the Messenger app. Look for any update option that may be available and update it if there is. After this, go back to your home page and open Settings. In Settings, turn on your airplane mode and after some time turn it off. This will help to build up your network. Also, make sure that you have a good internet connection. You can also try to switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Now open Messenger app on your device and make sure you are logged in to your account. So, firstly, tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner. On this slide, tap on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. After that, a menu like this will open for switch account. Try to switch to a different network and see if that helps. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.